Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you one of the best settings in FC26 to reduce lag and delay. So let's get started, go straight to the settings, and right here, go to the settings, game settings, and as you can see, my preset is custom on the gameplay, so this doesn't matter. You need to go to CPU sliders. So here you can choose custom one for the AI. So make sure the AI is custom one. Don't choose dynamic because those are taking many percentage from your computer or console. After that, let's go straight to the visual. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, we can see. Let me find it. That one setting. Okay, it is not right here. So let's find it in display. Okay, in display. So right here, turn off the VSync because it gives you a delay feeling. So make sure VSync is off. And here, what you can do for the cutscene performance, use full frame rate. This will reduce the freezing problem and all the problems. And for dynamic resolution scaling, make sure it is off. And for render scale, you can turn it down and see if that helps. And after that, if you go to the graphics, here for the rendering quality, choose low. Here, choose off, low, low. And for ambient occlusion, make sure it is low. And for motion blur, it doesn't matter. So make sure those settings are like this, and this will reduce lag 100%. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix delay problems and lag problems on your FC26. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.